So around here they're working on the road that takes to the other side of Naguru, and then this is a quick update into the ongoing expansion works of the Nakawa Banda road. So around Nakawa Spear Motors, the tarmac is there, so there is some works ongoing towards Banda around the city oil fuel pump. So from there up to Chambogo Road, which we are approaching right here, there is some adjustments that have been made, but still they've worked on different positions, different parts, and left the others. So this is what is happening. Please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications. Let's grow this channel together. It's the road to 2,000 subscribers. Apparently they all are stuck. You see borders coming from up, and those, it is a junction. The only problem is one, that people aren't patient. If they were patient, they would have allowed each other to go. You stop, the others go, then the others leave the others to go. But that is not happening. Everyone wants to go. And look at this one bringing his truck. So he also wants to go, and these ones also want to go. So let's wait and see how it will end. So funny. That's all they wanted. They should wait, and then like that, wait and let the other borders go. such that they can all go like that. Otherwise they were all going to sleep there. Yet the thing was very simple, very simple. Look at the many border borders. Everyone cares about themselves. That's how Ugandan roads are. So they have closed traffic the other side. That's why there were those many border borders right here. No one is allowed to go. I don't know why the distance. Maybe if there is someone that was crossing, someone big, but no, I don't believe. So around here I thought there were some works, given I had come back the other time, but there is nothing happening. It's like, that's how Ugandan roads be. They try to solve the problem when they're done with the biggest parts or the most dangerous parts, the other one can be left. Continue watching this video. I'm going to be showing you the area that was very bad on this very road, and when constructions kicked in, time came and they paused after laying a quick tarmac, so they did not mind about the finishing or what. No, they worked and pushed it to some extent, and then they saw it was a bit better, and then they stopped. So you see what I told you, around there, shortly after the Nakawa part, this is towards Banda. Accident. So that car was turning from a wrong side and they hit a border guy. That is what happened. Back what you heard around there, it was an accident. The car that was entering the road collided with the border. In fact, it is the border that collided. And around here, they've worked onto the tarmac. So they've worked around here. The tarmac is so nice. And again, the cars around here are moving extra slowly because there is a lot of diversions here. They are still constructing the road, and it explains that they're using one lane as they approach here. When they get the other side down, it expands. So here it's taking one car, and yet the other side it brings three at a go. So that is one of the problems why the cars are moving extra slowly. But this part has taken a lot of time. They are building smaller parts at a go. So they've constructed here, skipped somewhere, the other side also constructed, and even in front, they skipped some part. Then towards the city oil pump or fuel pump, they also skipped a part and then worked on another one. In other words, they're skipping a lot of works. I don't know why they are doing things like that. Hopefully they finish and the finishing is uniform. Otherwise, remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications, and yeah, let's grow it. The road to 2K subscribers at the moment. So this is the unfinished part. They are going to put the last part, then work on the walkways, because this one is just covers of the water channel. And that is Spear Motors right there. and then the road that continues towards Jinja and the other eastern parts of Uganda. So around here they are also going to cover the whole water channel, or the, like it's done the other side, and hopefully, that's like I told you, it's like they are done with this part. Since they completed around here, they have never come back to put everything in order. Like here, this is supposed to be a deep water channel, but there is a lot of concrete in it, and that's how it was left. And luckily around here, they have started working onto the water drainage system channel that I had said they had abandoned. Yeah, they're working upon it to make sure that the water is channeled this side. And the road is a bit wide from here. I think this widening will save it from the usual traffic congestion that happens around this area. So this is almost one lane, one extra lane. Maybe we can dedicate that one to the border guys who don't really know what they want. And yeah, this is also Nakawa around the USA car bond. But that is the car bond, one of the oldest car bonds. I remember I used to read the newspapers, and it was one of those that used to market their cars from the newspapers. Red Pepper, Daily Monitor, New Vision, not forgetting Yoshino cars, Yoshino, even that guy. So around here they're working on the road that takes to the other side of Naguru, and then so I am in front of, I'm before the URA towers. So there are those houses there that are unique. The other side it is NBS, but those houses that are unique or that look alike, those are the Naguru police residence, something like that. This is for the police. Only big people are the ones, the bigger ones are the ones that stay there. Then there is another temporary structures that were built this way, the other side down. That's where the others stay. So my reason for today was bringing you the constructions, extension of the constructions of the Nakawa Road around Spear Motors. So last time I showed you the tarmacking around Spear, but this time I want to take you the remaining from City Oil towards Banda. What is really happening? Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications.